Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna continue working on this part 12 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, you were able to start level 2 already. Now we're gonna continue working on this. So what I want to do is add in the beds first. So let's finish all the beds. So CS on that, spacebar to rotate, and then let's add it right here. And then the side table or the nightstand on the sides right here, and we want to make sure that this is aligned beside the bed so that everything looks nice. And then here CS on this and add it on the top. And then also let's add it on this side. So for this, what we could do is we could add in the bed. So I want to do is add the bed first right here, and we will add in basically the closet on that side as well. And then let's move this one all the way right here just to give it some space. And then after that, what we can do is we can open this up. So this is wall opening. I'm gonna select that and then create a opening right here, and then we will have the closet right here on this side, the walk-in closet. So after that, what we can do next is we could basically add the washroom right here, CS. Gonna add it right here, and then this will be the shower as well. And this one, we have it big right here, so instead of shower, probably we could add in, so here we could add 2 sink. Yeah, let's just add shower right here. I was thinking of adding a tub. So this is 1750. So select that, edit, duplicate number 2, and then we have 1715. Click OK. And then as you can see, it's stretched all the way there and it looks nicer. And then right here, because we have enough space and this is a shared one, so 2 sink would be nice. And then obviously we need to add the countertop there, or the top. So we're gonna use thin line instead. So we're going to add something like that, and then something right here as well, and then like this. So now it looks like that. And then next thing we're gonna do is we're going to add a closet. So I want to double check if we have, so we have this one right here, so CS on this and go to level 2, and then now we'll be able to add in a closet right here, a closet on this side, so around 700 will be good enough on both sides. And then here we could just push it to 700, and that's good enough. And for level, we have it at 700 as well, and we can CS on this. So let's add it there on this side and on this side as well. And then because we have this one already added. It's so easy to just see us on those annotations, and as you can see, it's very easy to add, and it's quickly, we don't need to look for it, and the only thing that we need to do is we just need to put it in consistent distance. So I think that's good enough. So now we have all of this there. I'm going to add an annotate right here to represent the closet. I think the distance here is around, let's put it at 700 and 700 as well. And then I'm happy with that. And then actually we could just make it bigger because we have enough space here. And then here we need this one to represent that we have levels there. We have shelvings, and that looks good. I'm happy with what we accomplished here. And then we could add in probably a study area right here. So we could go insert, load family, and then tables. We have a desk that we could add, override existing version, CM. So those desks, it's probably already here. So type in just desk, and then let's add this one right about here. And then load family again, seating, and then we have executive right here, and then CM again, and let's just add it right here. So I'm happy with that. And then obviously we need to go to our 3D and add in the glass. So we're gonna use curtain wall again, and then in some of them we will have balconies. So in terms like here, this will be balcony, and then balcony as well, and then we have a balcony right here, and then also a balcony. So we will have those things added. So what we could do is we could go and add architecture, and then floor, and then we have this floor again, number 6. I believe this is just gypsum wallboard for the material, but we're gonna use that. Here it's easy because we could just select that and then add it all the way there, here as well. And then here we could copy the sizing that we created here. So copy this so that everything is similar, and then here as well. For this one, how big was it? So I'm probably gonna make it 1200. That's too much. 1200 as well. I'm happy with that, so I'm gonna click finish, don't attach, and then now we have something that looks like that. And then from here we will make it nicer. So let's add in the curtain wall first. So click here, drop down curtain wall, and then obviously we need to add curtain wall right here. Flip it like that, obviously right here as well. Flip it like that, and then here we could just move this one right about here because we have enough room. CS, let's add it right here, flip it, and then CS on this as well. Let's just add it right here. Obviously, like I said, I always want some room right here. I don't want it to be too much or too over. And then here we could just move it a little bit so that it doesn't feel like it's too much there. I think that's good enough. And then here we could just move this one backwards a little bit because we have enough space here. So now click on modify, click on cut, select windows first and then wall. So wall and then window, wall and then curtain wall, wall again and then curtain wall. So everything is cut. We can also get some curtain walls right here as well. So why not? Make it nice right here. And that's more than enough. So cut and then cut it there. And then after that, go right here and we're going to set the height first for 1. So for this one, we set the height. I think this is good enough height. AL, so you select everything again. So AL, align everything. And then align it there. So once that's done, everything except for this two would be the same. It will remain on the bottom, and for this one it's only at the top because this is washroom, so we don't need it too much right there. So AL and then right here. So now everything looks like that. And then let's go to level 2 again because I want to add the roof. So here I'm gonna select architecture, click on roof, edit, duplicate here. This will be roof number 1. Click OK, edit this thickness to be 200, and then the material. Let's put gypsum wallboard, and then we're gonna paint the other materials once we're done with this. So here, before you click anything, what we need to do is put it on level 3. The reason that I chose level 2 so that I could see everything, and then we could basically override the base level anyway. So that's a trick that you can do. And then before you click, also make sure to uncheck this one. So here, I want to make sure that just the perimeter, you want to add those. Not everything. And then right here, we need to go over and then now we need to trim and extend on all corners. And then I'm sure I'm missing something, but let's just click finish first. And lucky enough, there's nothing. But after that, we have something that looks like that. We need to hover on one of the wall exterior and then click on tab. It will highlight all the exterior, select it, and then here we top offset this to around 400. So we're gonna create a parapet on top. And then like I said, we need to go to modify, click on paint, and then we are going to assign a material sphere, asphalt. And then here we go, select that and then click it right here. So now our ceiling is gypsum wallboard, and then here we have that one. And then definitely we need to add the mullions, but before that, let's put in curtain grid. Here we just want in the middle so that it looks like similar to the bottom, that it's being opened separately. And then here what I like to do is add 500 at the top first, and then go into midpoint and see how much we do. So we could do this one as 1/3 and it snaps. So here we could do, if we do 1/3 it's too much, so we could half this and it will look still nice. And then 500 at the top, and then 500 at the top, and then midpoint again, and then midpoint here as well. And then before we add mullions, actually we could add the mullions now. So click on mullion, all grid, and then 50 by 65. So select that right there, and then obviously we need to add the door. So I'm gonna add it here. So we need to delete that because there shouldn't be a mullion if there's a door there. So delete here and then delete that. And then after that, what we need to do is we need to go to insert, load family, and let's go to the main and look for a door, and then we have single. So this is very important. You need to load this, click on open. After that, what you need to do is we need to just put your cursor into the curtain grid and then click on tab, and you want to make sure that it's only highlighted to the panel that you want your glass door. So I'm gonna select that. Once you select that, you'll be able to go to this drop down and then add that one. Don't worry about the orientation, we're gonna deal with that later on. So let's add all of this first. So click on tab, it highlights that, and then click on the curtain door. Let's do it right here, and also onto this one, and then do that. So after that, go to level 2 in order to change the orientation. So here we need to flip this and then flip it like that. You want it to be going from the outside. Flip it right here and then just flip it going there. So now everything looks good. And then in the next video, we're gonna continue working on this and we're going to design everything. So thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.